Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this video we're going to demonstrate another variation for the triceps extension exercise. So in this variation, what you're going to do, you're going to kneel down on one leg and then put the other leg in front of you, and then put the rubber band right under your foot. Then what you're going to do, again, the closer you're going to hold the rubber band to the floor, closer to your foot, the more resistance you're going to get. So, find that the right amount of resistance for you. Now, hold it. I like to hold it a little bit closer to my foot. Now, hold it, wrap the rubber band around your wrist. Now, lean forward, so your torso is kind of 45 degrees or so towards the floor. Keep the elbow tucked in and keep the elbow locked. And then from this position, actually, maybe a little bit more deeper, more than 45 degrees, maybe this way. You get more range for the triceps that way. Now keep the elbow tucked in, and then from there, without moving your arm, just contract your triceps and extend your arms all the way to the top until your triceps fully contracted, and then slowly come down until about here. I kind of beginning to feel the resistance drops. Pause, and again, you see how I'm not moving my elbow stay fixed, and I'm fully squeezing my triceps, and everything else stays relaxed. Let's do a couple more, and again, I'm gonna move it slowly under control, fully squeeze, right in here, there. And I can do a few more, but we're gonna assume this is the last one that I can barely finish, and I'm fighting. If I need to cheat, I'm gonna cheat a little bit, just get it to the top, and I'm gonna hold it, and then we're gonna fight for last 30 seconds, to that 30-second deep negative. Yeah, 5, just hold it. So even statically hold it. Try to squeeze the triceps. Yeah, just statically squeeze it as hard as you can. Let's go, 20 more seconds. Keep fighting, keep squeezing it. 15 seconds, keep squeezing it all out. Feel that muscle, squeeze it as if your triceps is a towel, you're trying to squeeze the towel, right? Squeeze the towel, squeeze the triceps. Let's go, 10 seconds, 10, all out. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then maybe 10 or so seconds to come down. Slowly fight for every position. 8, 7, all out. 6, all out effort. 5, 4, and then slowly come down. And when you're done, obviously you're gonna do the other side, the other arm as well. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, so each time we post a video, you'll be one of the first to know. If you have any questions, you can go to our website, newelementtraining.com. You can shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or perhaps would like to book a virtual online coaching session. Thank you.